Yeah. Hello, guys. Can anyone share the screen, have access? Because I want to show you like how can we create the stage for org? How can we create? So anyone, Divya, can you do this? Have-
Sir, sir, because host is not giving permission
Okay.
to me, sir.
Okay. Rajesh, please can you give access to the Divya so that she can share the screen?
Yeah, Bhanu, I give that access to you. You can remote
Mhm.
to everyone. Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
so now Divya can access.
No, sir.
Okay. Mhm.
Yeah, Bhanu, I give access to host as you. You have that
Okay. Okay.
authentication.
Okay, okay, fine. Can you please give to the one person because I already have created, so it's difficult from my end to show them. So I want like someone who can share.
Yeah, Bhanu, go
Yeah.
to that person and you go.
Okay, 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 okay,
You have,
fine. I will do
I
that.
give that
I will
host
do that.
permission to you.
Okay, okay, I will do
Yeah,
that. No issue.
what candidate you have need? Can you give
Mm-hmm.
go to more option and give host?
I got it, got it. Okay. Now, Divya, now you are host. You can share your screen.
Yes, right.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, no issue.
So, uh, sir, but now what I want to share the screen, sir.
Share your screen first.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah, share your
So,
screen.
which one, sir?
Share your screen. I'm not able to see your screen right now. Have you shared?
Yeah, 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Now it's visible.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
you
visible.
are joining with the phone. Someone is who is joining with the laptop. It's personally recommended. Please join with the laptop, not join with the phone. If you have someone who have phone, can you please ping me on chat section? Can I user? Yeah, I will. I will make host a user. User, what's your name? Can you please tell me or everyone? Divya, now do one thing. Create. Go to the Zoom. Yeah.
Yeah,
Click on this participants.
yes, sir.
Yes, there is name as user. Yeah, make this user as a host.
Sir, I didn't get it anything, sir, not here.
Click on participant. Yes.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Scroll down.
Yeah,
Scroll down. There is no name as user.
yeah, is there, sir?
Yeah, user. Yes, yes. Click on that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This option. Scroll down. There is option like rename, make a host.
Yeah, make
Scroll up.
co-host,
Make
sir.
host. Yes, yes. Click on that. Yes. Okay. Now you remove your. I mean, off your screen.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah. Please, user. Can you please show your screen? Yes. Okay. 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 Go to the new tab in Google. New tab in Google. Yes. Search here developer edition org. Salesforce developer edition. Or directly go to the yeah, do that. Salesforce developer edition. Salesforce developer edition. Click on that. Click on that first one, first link. Everyone have to follow the same step to create a developer org. Your first name, give your first name. Okay, Vanita is here. Okay, last name. You make your last name. Okay, your email address. Correct. Your job role as a developer. Company name. Give any company name. Okay, give country as India. Okay, this mail ID is active. You can access now. Vanita.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Give postal code. Okay. Create a username that is going to be unique for everyone. So create like SFDC, small SFDC, small SFDC, SFDC dot Vanita, small Vanita. Okay. SFDC dot Vanita. Give any name techno.com. Correct. Yes. Save it. Sign me up. Is it already there? So you have to be unique. Techno 24. After techno, write down 24. Yes, sign me up. Again, it's not unique.
Yes.
Okay, SF. Okay, do one thing. Write down SFDC dot Vanita, Techno Vanita, something like that. Okay, someone recommend. Is there any group of these course for update? And yes,
I think
we
it
will
is
create.
the year, man.
Yes, now try to this. Again, it's not. Okay, do one thing. SFTC. Write down SFTC and do yourself. It should be unique because if anything is already there, it will not take.
It just give the year, sir. It will be taken.
Please mute yourself. Yeah, is it correct?
What happened?
Okay. Again, it's not taking. Like, do one thing. Write down SFMC, not SFTC. Write down
Yeah, it's
SFMC.
working. It's working, I think
Okay,
so.
okay. SFTC Vanita. Yeah, it's working. Okay, now do one thing. Go on your email ID, which you put on. Yeah, go to your email ID and refresh that page. It will take time. Telling you, it will take time. Like, it will take time around 10 minutes. 10, not 10 minutes, but 5 minutes will take. So 39 participants are there in this call. So I guess daily basis we have 40 candidates, correct?
Yes.
Or more than that? Okay. Okay. So for 40 candidates, we can do one thing. We can, okay, let me see. It will take time. Everyone follow the same step to create a developer org. Shravan is saying, hi sir, I'm new today. I joined. Please contact to coordinator Shravan. Yes. Astro from Trailhead. First step. Not this one. Refresh this page. Yes, click on that. Welcome to the Salesforce. Yeah, click on the verify account. Okay, so give any password for that. Sudhir is saying today is my first day, sir. Sudhir, I sorry for that, but I cannot do this because yesterday we have done first session. So please try to contact with the coordinator. Give any password like 8 character, 1 letter, and 1 number card. This kind of thing. Confirm new password. You can select any question. No one is checking whether is it right or wrong. Vada, correct. Change password. Change password. Click on that change password. Yes. Okay, so you have created your developer edition org. So I do one thing now. I will tell you. Save it. Or not save it. Right section you have save or never. Click on never. Okay. And do one thing. Click on that profile option. Right side. Right side. Yes, this one. There is some images there on the right section. Click on that. Right side, top of the corner. Yes. Yeah. This one. Setting ring bell is there. Image is there. Yes. Click on that. Beside that image is there. See, Vanita, what are you doing? See, there is option right section. Beside this.
So this one?
Not this one. Beside this, right side. This right side. Right side. This right side. This cell. Yeah. View profile.
Yeah,
Click on
view
that.
profile.
Yes. Log out this. Now do one thing. No, not do this. Click on that new tab in the Google.
Okay, new tab.
New tab. Yes. Do one thing. Write down login.salesforce.com. Login. LOG. Login.salesforce.com. Yes. Click on enter. Now go write down your username. How can you do the click on the username? Go to your email. Go to your email. Copy that username. This one. Copy that. Paste here in username and write down your password, whatever you created. Log in that. Yes. So skip. I don't want to register my phone. Click on that. Below. Below there is option remind me later, and I don't want to register my phone. Yes. Click on that. Yes. So everyone have clear, I guess, how to create the developer edition and how can we create the credential and all. Correct? Okay. So we have clear like how can we do these things? How can we create a developer edition org and how can we create? Okay. Now thank you so much, Vanita, for sharing a screen. Now I will continue. please make me host.
How?
Go to the Zoom meeting.
Okay. That here?
Yes. Still, I'm not. To, I'm not able to share my screen. Please, can you make me host?
Say-
Deva, can you make me host, or Vanita, anyone? Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, it's okay, sir.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, sir.
So my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So we are good with what is Salesforce. How can we create a developer edition and everything? We are okay. Now everything is set up. It's just we have to start the learning. So I wish happy learning to all. Okay, we will see what is object is, what is Salesforce, in which technically Salesforce working, and everything we are clear with this thing. Okay. So do one thing. How can we create? First thing is, how can we create the object? We know what is object is. What is object is a combination of row and the columns. What exactly row means? Row means the record and column is the field on the particular object. So how can we create the object? Click on, we can do directly from here, but I will do the step by step. Go to the object manager. Click on this, create custom object. Okay, give a label name like I want to store the data of my this training this batch, training batch. So I want to create a batch like training batch. Object training batch. It will take as a plural name. How can we do this? Control C, Control V. Batches. Okay, data types text correct. Allow everything. We will see in detail how. Just showing you how can we create the object. Hide this. Save it. Create a tab for this. So I will create this this object. How can we check? Setting, setup. Okay. Now if you go to the object manager, and this is a custom object we already know. So if I search there, training batch, correct. This is my object, and if I click on that, so this is my API name. What is API name? API name is like that is created by the Salesforce at the backend. So every custom thing with underscore C, and every standard thing in the Salesforce, like if you see like account object without underscore C. So this is the difference between standard object and a custom object. This is my custom object. So whenever we created a custom object, there is a by default field is created by the Salesforce that is called for fields. That is created by, last modified by owner and a training batch name field. So if you see any custom object, like if I go to the custom object, standard object account, so by default, so many fields are there. So these are all fields are there. This is called like standard field, we can say. This is a standard field. This is also the standard field, but the difference is this standard field on that standard object, but this standard field on the custom object, correct? So this is my custom object, and every custom object have 4 fields that is created by last modified by owner or name. How can we create the records? How can we create the records? Go to the app launcher, search that object in which you want to create a record. Like I want to create a record on training batch. Search your training batches, click on that. Okay, training batch. I click here new. So you can see there is only one field is there because I have not created any field yet. So there's only one field there in a training batch. So you can see like in these 4 fields, only one fields are writable. Rest is readable only. You can only read, you cannot write anything in that fields. So the training batch name is only a, what is we can say it is writable and readable both, but rest 3 are only readable. And if I want to create a record on account object, if I click here, I search here account. I go to the account. I will create here new account. So you see so many fields are there on account objects because this is my standard object, and so many, I don't know I have created or not, but we can create according to that. But this all fields are standard field. And one thing with the standard field is we cannot delete any standard field in the Salesforce. We can delete custom fields, but we cannot create a standard field, correct? So do one thing now. We will create a fields on training batch. That is my object. I go to the object, edit object. Okay. How can we create the fields? Go to the object. How can go to the object? This is direct option. If you are a record page on that particular object, you can go from settings and edit object, or you can do one thing, go to the object manager and search that particular object, training batch. So click on the training batch, field and relationship, click here new. So I want to store the email ID of that students, correct? So I will create a field now. How can you create? This is a data type. I will tell you what is data type. I choose data type as a text. I click here next. I select here email. Length I will get 32. I select as a I require, and so mail ID should be unique for everyone. So I click on unique. Click on next. Is it visible to everyone? Next, save it. Okay, so one field I have created like email. So this is my custom field. You can delete this field, but you cannot delete the standard field that is already there on that object. So this is something. And if I now search here training batch, click here new. Okay, so see, sometimes problem, the field is not reflected at the same time. Just do one thing, refresh this page again and check. See, email is there but not reflecting on the page. Click here new. Okay, again it's not reflecting. So do one thing, log out this. Again I have to log in. Sometime it will create some problem. It may be like I have created things. I can open this same org talking.salesforce.com.
Excuse me, sir. Please maximize the screen.
Okay. Is it comfortable? But it's not
Yeah,
comfortable for
now
me.
it is better.
Okay, this I can. Okay. So again, setup. Okay. Search for. Okay. What training batch? See, now email field is there. I have created an email field. Okay. So I have created one record over there, TB1. Okay. I will create this type, test TB1. I've created like test TB or some random value, correct? And I save it. But record is going to be saved. So what the use of this record? Because no one email ID is like that. No one. Have you seen any email ID like that? Anyone? Can you please say yes, no?
Sir, font size is very small, sir. Please maximize the screen.
See, I cannot maximize more than that because it's not able to, I mean, scroll the screen again and again. Is it same for everyone? Or
Sir,
is it okay?
we can maximize our own, sir.
Yes, I what I'm saying. And please try to connect with your laptop. If you are joining with the phone, it's your issue. Okay.
It is
So
clear,
anyone
sir.
email ID? You can see anyone email ID like that? Yes, no?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir. What's the specialty of the email ID? Can anyone tell me? What?
There should be at the rate of at the Gmail or email or Hotmail or something we have to
Okay.
write.
Okay. You can say like it's something like always at the rate domain.com something. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So it's if I created the email ID in that way, what is the use of the data? I mean, no use. It is a data redundancy in my system. It increase the data, it increase the data, but it's not like that. And we have to not create the data in like that, or we cannot store the data in that way because there is no use of the data. If you are using these things and if you are using the Salesforce, so there is no use to Salesforce. You can do store the data in that way with the help of the Excel sheet or whatever. But if you are using the Salesforce, it have some specialty. Okay. So what you have to do? So you now I have created only one record, test TB1. So do one thing, go to this object. Okay. Do one thing, go to the field and relationship. Okay. And delete this field. Okay. Okay. Now if you try to create a record here, it will join. Refresh this page. Again, it will showing. Refresh this page. Okay. This is not there. Batch. It's some issue with my org. It will not same this time. My org is, I mean, heavy loaded, so that's why data is not reflecting same time. If you do in your org, it will show at same time. Okay. Go to the training batch. Okay, now it's okay. That's fine. No email ID, no email field there. So what to do again? I create a field in that way that only email ID it will take. How can we do that? Go to the field and relationship. Create new. Now choose data type as a email. Next. Okay. Click your email. Always require and should be unique. Next. Okay, next. Save it. Hope it this time it will reflect same time. So whenever you have to create a field, go to the object manager, or whenever you have to create a record, go to the app launcher. Again, it will showing the same problem. So work has some problem. Okay. If you do this in your org, it will not have problem, but it is facing some issue in my org. Okay. So click here as a training patch. Okay. Now if we'll give any name test EB2. See if I give any random value now, try to save, it will not save because now I choose data type as an email. So it will take only some domain value, correct? It's like test@gmail.com. Now I save it. Now it record will save. Now no data redundancy is there because it have some domain. So it will take only the domain value with the email ID. Do one thing now. Again, I will create a record test db3. And again, if I give any name like test at the rate gmail.com. I save it. See, duplicate value, because we have already defined as we have to take as a unique value every time, because no one email have to going to be same. If I click test tv@gmail.com, save it. Yes, now it is saved. Correct. So in that way, try to create different fields with the different data types, and now test it how Salesforce work, what Salesforce is. Tomorrow I will take a beautiful example that will help you understand why so many people are there using Salesforce. Okay, fine. Hope you have clear with these things.
Sir, please explain yesterday's class in minutes, sir.
Sorry, Sarvan, I cannot, because I have some time limitations with me. So you can please try to coordinate with that coordinators of these sessions. So they will, I might be give you recording, or try to contact with someone in this group so that they can explain you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Sorry for that, because I have some time limitations. Okay, Praneeth saying about attendance, sir. Class timing, sir. Class timing, Divya will update you.
Sir,
But
please
might be
tell
possible.
coordinate name Divya madam only, sir.
Divya shares like WhatsApp group, so you can join that WhatsApp group. So she will tell you at what time we can do. Most probably we have class tomorrow from 6, after 6.
Sir, already I had shared, sir.
Yes. I'm saying to Sarvan or whatever. Please join that group. She already shared the WhatsApp group in chat section.
I joined, sir.
Okay.
So there will
Okay.
be any certification?
I don't know about Madhu. This please try to coordinate with Rajesh or Pradeep.
Okay.
Okay.
From tomorrow
So
onward, 6 o'clock, sir. 6 p.m. sir.
yes. From tomorrow it is about 6 p.m.
Okay, sir.
Or Divya coordinate in this group. Divya is telling you at what time. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any doubt for today class or anything you want to ask? We have still 5 minutes, so you can ask.
Sir, is this account is compulsory for everyone, those who are doing Salesforce course, sir?
Without account, how can you practice? I mean, if you are have some super brilliant mind, so there is no need to create a account. Where you to
Yes, sir.
practice without this?
So there are the different types of software there, no, sir. What is the difference between the Salesforce and the SAP, sir?
Yesterday I explained this thing.
Okay, today I joined, sir. Yesterday I am unable to join.
Okay. I will tell you tomorrow. Any different thing, different question, I will take today. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, Dilip. Want to say something?
No, sir.
Okay. So have you guys liked this session today? Can you please say me on chat session? What about that session today? Give your feedback on chat session. Any update, anything you want, like we can do this thing, please. Every suggestion is welcome. Can you do please in chat session? Good. Okay. Thank you, Sarvan. Okay. Rest no one is like the session, so I'm not getting any feedback. Nanda Kishori. Okay, good. Please do it fast. Whatever. If you want any suggestion, so please type there. Okay, nice. Thank you. Good. Thank you, CTR. Pawan saying good, guys. Okay. Excellent. Okay. 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 Ganesh saying that fastly. Okay, Ganesh, if you feel like that, please ping me in between. Okay. No worries. We can do slowly, but see, I have some time limitations. So in some time, don't know like I'm going fast or slow. Sir, is yesterday class is only about briefing about this class? Shravan, yesterday we done only the we done only the introduction session. What Salesforce is like, something like that, or I'll take only the class like what is Salesforce is something like only the introduction section. I do not explain anything.
Okay, so thank you.
Okay, thank you. So don't worry, Seven. If you feel like you want to know, please ping me personally. Take my number from Divya or mail me. From Divya, you can take my email ID or mail me. Okay. Okay. Finally, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Sudhir is saying also good sir, but you are fast sir. Okay, please ping me in between the session. I'm not able to get it like I'm going fast or slow. If you are feeling like I'm going fast, so please ping me in between. Sometime very fast sir. Okay, okay. So everyone is feeling the same thing. I got it. So, from tomorrow, I will try to be slow. Don't we have attendance link, sir? No, Praneeth, we have not any attendance link. I don't know. I don't have. Vanita is there in call. Vanita is there. No, Vanita is not there. Okay. Okay, we will meet tomorrow.